everyone, welcome back to another Stitches and Scribbles tutorial. Today I thought I'd do something kind of simple as a holiday gift to get us into the holiday season. So today we're going to learn how to make some basic earrings. First, I'm just going to show some of the supplies that I purchased at Michael's before we get into the actual tutorial. So I purchased 2 packs of these little charms. They have bows and ornaments on them. I got these beads, which I realize are not really Christmas themed, but I thought that they were very pretty, and the dark wintry green kind of fit with what I was going with. I also purchased these angel beads, so you can see that every little set of beads makes an angel. I also have wire earring hooks. I have 2 different sizes of jump rings because I wasn't sure which size would work best. And I also have some eye pins to make the earring itself. Other than the supplies I purchased from Michael's, you will also need a pair of wire cutters as well as a pair of needle nose pliers. I'm going to start with the easiest pair of earrings first. So these charms and some of the similar ones that Michael's has are really nice because they actually already have a jump ring at the top. So all we need to do is attach it to the earring hook. So I'm going to do that by using my pliers to gently pry open that jump ring so that I have a gap. Then you're going to slide the earring hook right on there. And then use your pliers again to close up that jump ring. I usually hold it firmly and kind of push against it with my finger to put it together. Now, the one challenging part about this is that depending on what earring hooks you have, you might have it so that your charm does not lay forward the way that you would want it to when you're wearing the earring. So what I usually do is very, very gently hold that loop at the bottom of the earring wire and gently twist it. You have to make sure you go really slow and be really careful when you're doing this so that you don't snap it off. There is one finished earring. I'll go ahead and show you again on the other one. So I am opening the jump ring, sliding the earring hook on, closing the jump ring, and then, whoops, didn't close the jump ring all the way. Make sure that that jump ring is really closed before going on to the next step. Okay, and then I'm going to gently twist that earring wire so that it's facing the direction that I want it to. Like that. And there you have your first finished pair of earrings. I really liked these charms from Michael's. Oops, it would help if I had it in frame. Because you could do matching pairs, but you could also do mismatched pairs with like one red and one green, or one gold and one silver. Also, if you're gifting these to somebody with multiple piercings, you could get them some in every color, and then they could have a set. Alright, the next pair of earrings I'm going to make is the angel ones. So I have 2 of my tiny eye pins, and then for each angel I have 1 head bead, 1 body bead, 1 halo, and 1 pair of wings. So I'm going to start with the loop on the bottom. You could also use head pins for this, but I use eye pins for most of my projects. You start by sliding on the body pin, then the wings, then the head, and then the halo. So you should have it like that stacked on your eye pin. Then you're going to take one of your earring wires and your pliers, and we're going to make another loop at the top. So I'm going to bend the wire out and then curl it in from the other side. Before I have it completely closed, I'm going to slide on that earring wire and then close the loop all the way. There you have a little angel. I'm going to do it again for my other earring. So take your eye pin, slide on the body, the wings, the head, and the halo. Bend out and then curve around. And before you completely close it, slide on that earring wire and then finish off your loop. And there's the angel pair of earrings. Michaels has a lot of strands like these that have the angel beads on them, and you can get them in different colors and different sizes, but I thought these were a really cute holiday earring idea. Alright, and for the final pair of earrings I'm going to show you today, I'm using these big beads I got from Michaels. They're actually wood, so they're really lightweight. 2 of my really long eye pins and my earring wires. So I'm going to thread my eye pin through the bead and then kind of fold it in half to make the part where it hangs so that it looks like this. I'm going to pinch my 2 sides together and I'm going to fold one side kind of out at a right angle and then use my pliers to wrap the straight end around the looped end. Like this. You might need to reshape the bottom a little bit because it will probably get squished in that process. You also want to really make sure that the very, very end of that pin folds in as much as you can. Otherwise, it could stick out and poke you while you are wearing it, and we don't want that. I like to use the pliers to kind of flatten it in against the other part of the wire as much as I possibly can. And you have that. So then you're going to take your earring wire and I forgot to open them, but I'm actually going to take a jump ring to attach these. So 2 jump rings. If you don't want to use jump rings, you can use the trick I showed earlier to twist the hook on the earring wire. So I'm going to open the jump ring, put my charm and my earring wire on there. Oops. Oh, I actually don't need the jump ring. I'm going to open the top and slide the earring wire on. And it'll hang facing forward like that. So I'll show you on the other one. going to insert my eye pin, fold it up so that it's almost in half, bend the top of the pin, and then wrap it around. Pinch it up against the original one as much as you can. Reshape the bottom part of the wire with your pliers if needed. Open the top loop, put the earring wire on, and adjust if needed. And that's your next finished pair of earrings. I thought these were really, really cute. Even though they're not quite holiday themed, I thought that they were still fun and still had some festive colors. So there you go, 3 different pairs of earrings that you can make as easy holiday gifts. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye!